Little angel, I want to play outside.
Okay, but first,
Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? When they're on, we'll have some fun and play. But we first say, let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? 'Cause when we're done, we'll have some fun today.
rain, splash and play. Let's have fun out there. But wait, Mom and Dad know what you need to wear.
Boots are good, they keep us dry. Splash in puddles, now you try. See?
Yeah!
Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? When they're on, we'll have some fun and play. But we first say, let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? 'Cause when we're done, we'll have some fun today.
Wind, fly your kite. Let's have fun out there. But wait, Mom and Dad know what you need to wear. Cozy coats shelter us when the wind goes whoosh.
No coat! Oh!
Always listen to your Mom and Dad when we say,
Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? When they're on, we'll have some fun and play. But we first say, let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? 'Cause when we're done, we'll have some fun today.
Sun, so much fun, but it's hot out there.
wait.
Mom and Dad know what you need to wear. Hats are good to keep you cool.
Now we're safer at the pool.
Now it's playtime.
Let's go, sweetie.
Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? When they're on, we'll have some fun and play. But we first say,
Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? 'Cause when we're done, we'll have some fun today. Snow, fun to throw. Let's have fun out there. Wait, Mom and Dad know what you need to wear. Gloves are warm, snow is cold. Put them on and you can go. We're ready, let's play.
yay! Let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? When they're on, we'll have some fun and play. But we first say, let's check, and let's get dressed for the weather. Are you ready? 'Cause when we're done, we'll have some fun today. Yay!
Oh. Baby John, look up. It's a beautiful day. It's time to eat. You need to eat your breakfast first.
No, I want cookies now. If I was bigger, I could eat cookies every day. Yum, yum, yum.
If you eat your breakfast, you'll grow big and strong. Look at this lovely fruit. Yum, yum. Baby John, you are too young to cook. Why don't you play with these pots and pans? Baby John, it's time to bathe. Look at these bubbles, it's so much fun. Baby John, let me help.
No, 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 I want to do this alone. I just want to be big so I can bathe on my own without help is more fun.
Baby John, you can play. When you're small, you can play in the tub. Wow! Baby John, it's time for bed. Tomorrow will be just as fun. We can play. Baby John, it's far too late.
Why, I want to do this now. I just want to be big so I can watch the TV late at night on my own.
Baby John, there's more to see. Here is your favorite book. Shall we read? Once upon a time, there was a big dinosaur who wanted to play with his friends. He had a long tail and big eyes. Let's learn about feelings, Baby John. Grumpy. When we're feeling grumpy, we make a pout. When we're feeling grumpy, we make a pout. When we're grumpy, it's not fun, we make a pout. When we're feeling grumpy, we make a pout. Happy. When we're feeling happy, we want to jump. When we're feeling happy, we want to jump. When we're happy, it is fun, we want to jump. When we're feeling happy, we want to jump. Shy. When we're feeling shy, we want to hide. When we're feeling shy, we want to hide. When we're shy, it's not fun, we want to hide. When we're feeling shy, we want to hide. This is Mia. Mia, say hello. Sad. When we're feeling sad, we want to cry. When we're feeling sad, we want to cry. When we're sad, it's not fun, we want to cry. When we're feeling sad, we want to cry. Mad. When we're feeling mad, we want to stomp. When we're feeling mad, we want to stomp. When we're mad, it's not fun, we want to stomp. When we're feeling mad, we want to stomp. Baby John, it's important to share and play nice. Scared. When we're feeling scared, we want to scream. When we're feeling scared, we want to scream. When we're scared, it's not fun, we want to scream. When we're feeling scared, we want to scream. Proud.
Proud.
When we're feeling proud, Okay, the tent is ready, guys. Are you ready?
No! Light!
I'll get some cookies and milk.
Now we are alone. All alone in the dark. What's that shadow? What could it be? It looks like a monster to me. Let's check and see. Where is it coming from? It must be a monster. I'm afraid. Phew! It was just in our heads. I'm
Once upon a time, there was a big scary wolf, howling so loud and its eyes so bright. No one came out at night. Oops, it is dark outside. We are alone in the dark. What's that noise? What's behind the door? Oh no, I can't see anymore.
It's bingo! Who's there? Do you see what I see? It's so creepy, I'm so scared. We hide and then we wait.
There it was again. I need to go and check. We must be brave. Let's find out. It's only a bush outside. Don't worry, there are no such things as monsters. We are safe here at home.
I'm so scared. Let's stay and wait. No, 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 stay with us. It's so scary out there.
There it was again. What is behind that door? Just a toy car shining at night. No reason to be afraid. Now let's go to sleep.
Something just moved. It's getting closer to us. It's so scary. I'm so scared. I'm sure it's not in my head.
What was that noise? Looks like a branch to me. It's not a monster, just a branch. No reason to be afraid. Let's go back to sleep. There's nothing out there. Mom, it's you! Of course it's me. Who else would it be? Good night, sweetheart.
Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Daddy, you are the goofy one. We have lots of fun making funny faces. Daddy, you are the goofy only one, and you're the best. Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Daddy, you wear some silly things. We're always laughing, finding new adventures. Daddy, you wear some silly things. We're always laughing, finding new adventures. You're silly, you're funny. You look after me. There's only one, and you're the best. Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Daddy's Day, it's the day for you. Daddy's Day, for everything you do. Yay, Daddy!
Bingo, sit. Where is your paw? Oh, Baby John, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby John, where are your ears? Baby dear, what do you hear? You found your ears. Little bingo, where are your ears? Yes, puppy, those are your ears. Baby John, where is your nose? Very well, that is your nose. Little bingo, where is your nose? You found your cute little nose. Yes, doggy, you know your nose. Baby boy, where are your toes? On your feet, that's where they go. 1 toe, 2 toes, 3, 4, 5 toes. 5 tiny toes. Baby John, let's count your toes. Tiny toes, all in a row. Little bingo, where are your toes? Pretty pup, he knows his toes. Mwah. Baby John, where's your tummy? Tummy tickle, isn't that funny? Bingo's belly, where are you? Yes, bingo, yours tickles too. Baby John, where is your mouth? Wow! Yummy food goes in your mouth. Little bingo, where is your mouth? Bingo has a mouth to let a big bark out. Baby John, where is your head? Very good, you found your head. Baby John, we have eyes so we can see. Watch me make a silly face and make one back at me. Now you can play with Bingo to help him find his tail.
too hot. No, I don't need to wear all of this. Achoo!
Dad, you took off your warm clothes. And now you have a cold. Don't worry, baby John. He'll be better soon. Let's help Dad. Oh, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, you are sick. We'll take care of you. Don't worry, Daddy. We are here to help. We'll take care of you. When you're sick, we check your temperature to make sure you are good as new. Don't worry, Daddy. We are here to help. We'll take care of you. Aha! Come help me, baby John. Blanket won't keep Daddy warm. There. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, you have a sore throat. We'll take care of you. Don't worry, Daddy, we are here to help. We'll take care of you. When our Daddy isn't feeling well, we'll take care of him to make him well. Don't worry, Daddy, we'll take care of you. You'll be good as new. No, no, no. You need to rest, Daddy. Does your head hurt, Daddy?
Oh!
Let's cuddle up with Daddy. Oh, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, you are sick. We'll take care of you. We'll give you huggies and all of our love. We are here for you. When our Daddy isn't feeling good, we take care of him to make him well. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, we'll take care of you. You'll be good as new. Hold on, Daddy. Nope, not that one. There.
Achoo!
Oh, Daddy, Daddy, we'll take care of you. You'll be good as new. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, we can't wait to play again with you. When we're sick, then you take care of us. Now you're sick, and we'll take care of you. Don't worry, Daddy, we're here to help. Daddy, we love you.
Okay, who's ready for some fun?
We are! We
Look at all that slime. Okay, kids, it's bath time. Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub. Look at us sparkle and gleam. Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub. Getting oh so clean. Baby John, watch me. I'll show you how to wash properly. We can wash our ears and in between our toes. Bath time gets rid of the dirt, even from our nose. Does someone need a hug? we're not done yet.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub. Look at us sparkle and gleam. Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub, getting oh so clean.
Oh, oops, we nearly forgot to wash our hair.
Baby John, come help us out.
We can wash our hair and our tummies too. We can wash away the dirt, and you can try it too. Ahoy there! Almost done.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub. Look at us sparkle and gleam. Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're washing in the tub, getting oh so clean. Wash the dirt, do-do-do-do-do-do. Wash the dirt, do-do-do-do-do-do. Wash the dirt, do-do-do-do-do. Wash the dirt, do-do-do-do-do.
Time to dry off. Dry our heads and toes and everything between. Dry ourselves with the rub-a-dub-dub, feeling fresh and clean.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're feeling fresh and clean, ready to start the day. Scrub-a-dub-dub, we're feeling fresh and clean, adventures are coming our way. Hooray!